As per an independent report, the Chinese Communist Party actions in Xinjiang have violated every single provision in the United Nations Genocide Convention.
The report, made by more than 50 global experts in human rights, war crimes, and international law, released on Tuesday by the New Lines Institute of Strategy and Policy think tank in Washington, D.C., claimed the Chinese government bears state responsibility for an ongoing genocide against the Uyghurs in breach of the UN Genocide Convention. This is for the first time an NGO has taken an independent legal analysis of the accusations of genocide in Xinjiang. The report says about 2 million Uyghurs and other Muslim minorities are suffering in 1,400 extrajudicial internment facilities in China since 2014. They are culturally brainwashed, indoctrinated, sexually abused, forcibly sterilized, psychologically tortured, and an unknown number of deaths have happened within these camps, as per the report. The report attributed the 33% drop in the Uyghur birth rate in the region between 2017 and 2018 to China's Uyghur sterilization and birth control forceful measures. The report says official speeches and documents refer to Uyghurs and other Muslim minorities as weeds, tumors, and local authorities were asked to break their lineage, break their roots, break their connections, and break their origins. China, in the veil of curbing religious extremism and terrorism, is aiming towards their ethnic cleansing. On January 19th, the US administration declared the Chinese government was committing genocide in Xinjiang. A month later, the Dutch and Canadian parliaments passed similar motions despite opposition from their leaders. Azim Ibrahim, director of special initiatives at New Lines and co-author of the new report which confirms overwhelming evidence, said, "This is a major global power, the leadership of which are the architects of a genocide." The report suggests China, which is a signatory to the 4-page UN Genocide Convention, along with 151 other countries in Xinjiang, have violated every single provision in the UN Genocide Convention. There's a catch here too, with China being a permanent member with veto power in the UN Security Council. Trial on allegations of genocide in Xinjiang in the International Criminal Tribunal is highly unlikely. In February, a report by Essex Court Chambers in London, commissioned by the World Uyghur Congress and the Uyghur Human Rights Project, said there is a credible case against the Chinese government for genocide. On examining China's intent to destroy Uyghur ethnicity, the clear and convincing report said, given the serious nature of breaches in question, this report applies a clear and convincing standard of proof. The report is based on thousands of eyewitnesses' testimonies from Uyghur exiles and official Chinese government documents. John Packer, report contributor and associate professor at the University of Ottawa and former director of the Office of the OSCE High Commissioner on National Minorities in The Hague, said, "If this is not sufficient to instigate some kind of action against China or even to take position, then what actually is required?"